Níos sine, Níos Óige.
Tá mamo níos sine na daddy. Tá daddy níos sine na mami. Tá mami níos óige na daddy. Tá Claire níos sine na Emma. Is she Emma an duine is óige sa chláin?
Ceistena, ceiste hain. An bhfuil mamo níos óige na daddy. Ceiste dó, an bhfuil daddy níos sine na mami. Ceiste trí, an bhfuil Claire níos sine na Emma. Ceiste cathair, cé hí an duine is óige sa chláin. Ceiste cuaig, cé hí an duine is sine sa chláin.
Níos sine, Níos Óige means Níos sine is older and Níos Óige is younger. So Níos is more. So more old, and Níos Óige more young. Tá mamo níos sine ná daddy. So mamo, there's mamo, grandmother. Mamo, it has an O fod at the end, so it kind of sounds like an older one. Mamo, O for older. Tá mamo níos sine ná daddy. So mamo, or the granny, is older than daddy. Then tá daddy, there's daddy, tá daddy níos sine ná mommy. So daddy is níos sine, is older than mommy. Then we've got mommy, tá mommy níos óige ná daddy. So then the other way around, mommy is younger, níos óige ná daddy than daddy. And then we've got Claire. Tá Claire níos sine ná Emma. Claire is older than Emma. So Claire is older than Emma. Tá Claire níos sine ná Emma. And then finally, is Emma an duine is óige. So Emma is the duine is óige. Is óige means youngest. So Emma is the youngest in the family. Is sine is oldest. Is óige is youngest.